Look at this trail, y'all. We about to... Yeah, take that. Hey, man. Make sure you watch your step, man. So pretty. Beautiful. What you see? Why you stopping? What was that? Why are you being mean to me? I'm a what? You said what? If I stay over there?
Stay over there. It won't die. It comes over here. It dies. Does that work?
I just saw a little hole. Look at that hair.
No, paw print.
What kind of paw was that?
The ones that bite the fur eating critter. Poops up here, comes close.
We have arrived at park number 2 because, as my husband said, I was being too scary. So, here we go. Look, there's a walking trail.
Yeah, shit. Let's go on that trail.
You see anything?